Yo, God bless. I can't turn the camera around. I guess I can do it this way. I just repotted these, y'all. Can y'all see them? I just repotted them. We're gonna see if this one's gonna stand back up. Alright. That's the other one. Y'all see it. Okie dokie. That's my little thing I'm doing, y'all. I don't know why I had those on. Well, God been good to me. I've never, messed with plants before, but it's beautiful, y'all, to be in nature. I get it now. I remember a guy we grew up with. They used to tease him a lot, right? He ate nuts and berries. They called him Nature Boy. I think, if I remember correctly, his name was Brian Bolden. Yeah. They called him Nature Boy. They used to tease him a lot, but I never got it, right? And I don't even think he cared, because at a young age, he knew who he was. You know who he is. I don't know why he just came to my mind. Brian Bolden. Stay down on 97th and Green in Chicago. Well, like I said, this is my little plants, my garden. May not be much to anybody else, but it's what God gave me, I'm doing the best for what I got, and I'm grateful, for real. Everybody, have a great day, and don't be fake. Be real, be yourself. Don't be fake. It's not cool. God bless.